1. You open social media the first thing in the morning, as soon as you wake up. 2. You don't ask yourself why you're going on your phone. You just do it on autopilot. You always do it, so why change? 3. You check the time and it's already been that long. You can't believe how much time you've actually spent. But then 4, you close the app just to open it back up again and then repeat the same cycle. 5, you don't even use social media to be social. 6, you're on low battery. Your phone has died a lot. 7, look at your screen time. 8, the videos you watch on social media are honestly pointless. You forget about them the next day and they don't have any value or meaning or education. Doesn't matter. 9, you don't know what to do besides just going on your phone. If there's any sliver of free time, you're on your phone. 10, if there's other things or people around you, you scroll instead. And 11, nothing will happen after this video ends. You'll just watch another video and forget about these 11 signs and act like nothing ever happened.